Sanctuary Cap Cana, a luxury collection resort, Dominican Republic, adult all-inclusive sits in one of the Caribbean's most exclusive resort zones. Here's something most travel videos won't tell you. This property operates under the Luxury Collection brand, which is part of Marriott's portfolio. That means if you're sitting on a pile of Marriott Bonvoy points, you're looking at a potential redemption opportunity that could turn loyalty points into a Dominican Republic escape without touching your cash reserves. The adult all-inclusive designation is built right into the legal name, which tells you this isn't a property that quietly discourages kids through pricing or amenities. They've made a structural choice to focus exclusively on guests 18 and up, which fundamentally changes the atmosphere, noise levels, and programming compared to family-oriented resorts in the same region. The Cap Cana area itself deserves context. This isn't downtown Punta Cana with its high-rise density and spring break energy. Cap Cana developed as a master-plan luxury enclave, which means you're trading central location and walkable nightlife for a more secluded, resort-focused experience. The Sanctuary Cap Cana name appears consistently across multiple verified sources. While the exact number of rooms, the year it opened, and details about its last renovation aren't available in the provided research, the Luxury Collection affiliation gives you a baseline expectation for service standards and property maintenance that comes with a brand known for boutique-style properties within a larger hotel family. Because detailed room type information isn't available in the research provided, we can't walk through specific categories, square footage, or bedding configurations. What we do know is that this is a Luxury Collection property operating as an adult all-inclusive, which typically means room design skews toward couples and solo travelers rather than families needing connecting rooms or bunk bed configurations. The absence of children's programming and the adults-only policy suggests room layouts prioritize romantic or relaxation-focused design elements over practicality for managing kids. Without confirmed details on room amenities, views, or tier structures, the smart move is to contact the property directly or review current booking platforms to understand what specific room categories are available during your travel dates and how they differ in terms of location within the resort, ocean views, or private outdoor space. Dining details from the official website weren't captured in the available research, which means we can't give you restaurant names, cuisine types, or the number of venues included in the all-inclusive package. What matters in any adult all-inclusive evaluation is whether the property offers enough variety to keep meals interesting across a week-long stay without requiring off-site dining to avoid repetition. The Luxury Collection brand standard generally pushes properties toward chef-driven concepts rather than buffet-only operations. But without confirmed menu details or restaurant descriptions, you'll want to verify directly what's included in your all-inclusive rate, whether reservations are required for specialty dining, and if there are any premium dining experiences that carry surcharges even within the all-inclusive structure. Some Luxury Collection properties include top-shelf spirits and wine programs in their base rates, while others tier beverage packages. So clarifying what's covered before you arrive prevents surprise charges and helps you budget accurately if you're a cocktail enthusiast or wine drinker. Pool and beach specifics aren't detailed in the research provided, but location context gives us useful clues. The resort sits near Playa Juanillo Beach, which is roughly 1.6 kilometers away, about a 10-minute drive according to available data. That distance suggests the resort either operates a shuttle service to the beach or has its own beachfront that isn't the main public access point for Juanillo. Cap Cana's coastline generally features calmer Caribbean waters compared to the Atlantic-facing beaches farther north, which typically means more swimmable conditions and less dramatic wave action. Whether the property has infinity pools, swim-up bars, adults-only pool zones, or cabana rental systems isn't confirmed in the research, but these are standard questions to ask when evaluating any adult all-inclusive. Pool culture varies wildly. Some resorts encourage early morning towel reservation battles, while others have moved to digital reservation systems or simply maintain enough loungers that the whole towel wars phenomenon doesn't exist. Knowing which camp this property falls into can shape your daily routine significantly. Activities programming at adult all-inclusive resorts tends to focus on fitness classes, water sports, and excursions rather than the animation teams and poolside games you'd find at family properties. The research doesn't provide specifics on what's included in the all-inclusive package here, but proximity to Punta Espada Golf Club, which sits 1.3 to 2.1 kilometers away, suggests golf access might be part of the resort's appeal. Whether tee times are included, discounted, or booked separately matters if you're planning to play multiple rounds. Water sports equipment, kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling gear are typically included at Caribbean all-inclusives, but motorized activities like jet skis or parasailing usually carry additional fees. The absence of detailed activities information in the research means you'll want to confirm what's complimentary and what requires booking or payment once you're on property. Spa and wellness details aren't available in the provided research, so we can't describe treatment menus, hydrotherapy circuits, or whether the spa operates as a standalone facility or integrates with fitness and wellness programming. Adult-focused resorts often position spa services as a core experience rather than an add-on, but pricing structures vary. Some properties include basic treatments in premium room categories, while others price spa services a la carte for all guests. If wellness is central to your trip, asking whether the property offers multi-day packages, couples treatment suites, or wellness-focused room categories can help you maximize value and avoid the common mistake of booking treatments piecemeal at higher individual rates. Because this is an adults-only property, there are no kids' clubs, children's pools, or family activity programs. That's the entire point. If you're traveling as a couple or solo and you've ever shared a pool with a youth soccer team or sat through dinner next to a toddler meltdown, you already understand the value proposition. The adults-only structure doesn't guarantee silence or serenity, especially if the resort attracts a party-focused crowd, but it does eliminate the specific chaos that comes with children's programming, early breakfast rushes driven by family schedules, and pool areas dominated by floaties and Marco Polo games. Nearby attractions give you a sense of what's accessible if you want to break up resort time with off-property exploration. Hoyo Azul, also called Blue Eye, is a natural cenote-style attraction sitting 2.8 to 4.5 kilometers away. It's one of those Instagram-famous spots where a limestone sinkhole filled with impossibly blue water creates a swimming hole that looks photoshopped. The distance means it's close enough for a half-day trip without eating your entire day in transit. Punta Espada Golf Club is walkable in theory at 1.3 to 2.1 kilometers, but Caribbean heat and humidity make that a sweaty proposition unless you're committed to the exercise. The course itself is a Jack Nicklaus design and consistently ranks among the top layouts in the Caribbean. So if you're a golfer, it's worth understanding whether the resort offers preferred tee times or packaged rates. Playa Juanillo Beach is about 1.6 kilometers away, roughly a 10-minute drive, which suggests the resort either shuttles guests or the beach experience is designed to be enjoyed through the resort's own facilities rather than the public beach access. Freshwater Lagoons Nature Preserve sits 7 kilometers out, offering a different ecosystem to explore if you're interested in birdwatching or kayaking through mangroves. Dominican Casino and Lounge Club is 4.5 kilometers away, and Versus Marina Cap Cana Club is roughly 4 kilometers out with about a 10-minute drive, giving you nightlife options if the resort's own bar scene doesn't provide enough variety. Downtown Punta Cana offers shopping within the area, and El Dorado Water Park sits within 20 kilometers, though as an adults-only guest, the water park is probably not on your itinerary unless you're meeting up with family members staying elsewhere. Keeping it real, the research provided doesn't include guest reviews, specific complaints, or documented drawbacks from booking platforms or TripAdvisor. That absence makes it impossible to highlight genuine negatives without inventing them, which violates the factual accuracy rules. What we can say honestly is that the lack of detailed information about room types, dining venues, and amenities in the available research means you're working with less transparency than ideal when evaluating this property. The Luxury Collection brand provides some guardrails around quality expectations, but individual properties within the same brand can vary significantly in age, maintenance standards, and how aggressively they interpret all-inclusive inclusions. Without guest score breakdowns, review counts, or verbatim feedback, you're missing the crowdsourced quality control that usually helps travelers identify whether a property consistently delivers on its promises, or if there's a gap between marketing and reality. No hotel is perfect, and your experience will vary depending on room category, travel season, and how well the property's vibe matches your expectations for pace, atmosphere, and service style. What makes Sanctuary Cap Cana genuinely different from competitors, based on available information, is the combination of luxury collection branding with adult all-inclusive structure in the Cap Cana masterplan community. Many all-inclusive resorts in the Dominican Republic operate as large-scale, high-volume properties, where the business model depends on filling hundreds of rooms and maximizing occupancy. The luxury collection affiliation suggests a smaller footprint and a focus on design and service details that differentiate it from mass-market alternatives. The Cap Cana location itself is a differentiator. You're not in the dense hotel corridor of Bavaro or the budget-friendly zones farther from the airport. Cap Cana developed with higher price points and larger lot sizes, which generally translates to more space between properties, better-maintained common areas, and a quieter overall environment. The adults-only policy is another structural differentiator that shapes every aspect of the experience, from pool music volume to restaurant pacing to the types of activities programmed throughout the day. Without confirmed pricing, package details, or all-inclusive inclusions, We can't build a detailed value breakdown comparing what you spend on meals, drinks, and activities if you booked room, only versus paying up front for the all-inclusive package. The general logic of adult all-inclusives is that you're prepaying for convenience and predictability. If you drink multiple cocktails daily, enjoy late-night snacks, and prefer not to carry a wallet to dinner, the all-inclusive model makes sense. If you're a light drinker who prefers exploring local restaurants off-property and you don't snack between meals, you might find better value booking room only in paying as you go. The luxury collection brand typically prices at a premium compared to unbranded or mass-market all-inclusives, so understanding exactly what's included in your rate and how it compares to alternatives in the same area is essential before committing. Events and conference facilities aren't detailed in the research provided, so if you're considering this property for a wedding, corporate retreat, or group event, you'll need to contact the resort directly to understand meeting space, buyout options, and group pricing structures. Guest experience highlights depend on verified reviews and specific feedback, which aren't available in the research provided. Without direct quotes or documented service moments, we can't point to specific examples of what makes the experience memorable or where the property excels beyond the baseline expectations set by its brand and category. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.